Hey, this is Wibble, one of 3 dragon puppet templates that Happy Thought members can download for free from their Happy Thought Craft Club. So to make your puppet, first of all, you want to download and print out the templates, and then we're going to cut them out. Once you've got them all cut out, we're going to start by assembling the base of the puppet. So first things we want to do is fold along these lines to make the 2 triangular base shapes. Once we've done that, we've got some reinforcement panels that we're going to stick in place to add a bit of strength to your puppet. This is especially good if you are printing your puppet template onto copy paper or printing paper, or you can choose to print it onto a slightly stronger, thicker cardstock. About 120 to 140 GM is good. I'm going to stick these 2 pieces together and add some glue to the tab, the middle tab, and join the 2 pieces together like this. Then you can just test, make sure it's working well, and that's the mechanics of your puppet and the base of your puppet. Now we're going to add the heads. Again, we're going to put on some reinforcement panels. And then we're going to glue the head in place onto the puppet base. So add lots of glue and then you can line it up as shown and just check it's working and in place. And then we're going to add the jaw panel. Again, lots of glue. And then pop it under the head and you can already see that it's working well. Now we're going to add the center panel. So you want to start by turning down all the tabs. And then we're going to add another reinforcement panel. And we're going to pop it in place, lots of glue on the tabs. And we'll run the glue along the head of the puppet as well. Now you just want to kind of coax it into place using the tabs. Take your time. This is the most complicated part of making your puppet, but if you take your time, it's fairly easy. You could also add some sticky tape to make sure it's held in place. Now we can add the other side, so again lots of glue, and we're going to add it to the base and the tabs of the center panel at the same time. So you want to line it up with the other side and then ease it into place. Make sure it's well stuck. Then we'll put on the jaw panel. So again, lots of glue and line it up in place with the other side. And there we go. I'm going to add a few details here. You can also add your own details. We have a black and white version as well of the puppet if you wanted to create your own colorways and add your own details. And now for the tongue. So we take the tongue panel, fold it in half, lots of glue, and then we're going to trim the tongue out. Next, we're going to give it a bit of movement by folding it and adding some glue, open wide, and in the tongue goes. Great. There we go. Your Wibble dragon puppet is ready.